You ever sit at your kitchen table late at night, a stack of bills on one side and a toy or backpack on the other, and wonder how to make more money without losing time with your kids? If that's you, this is the video that shows exactly how single moms are quietly using AI to create content, turn it into income, and buy back their time. Here is the big truth up front. You do not need to be a tech expert. You do not need to be on camera if you do not want to. You do not need to work 10 extra hours a day. What you do need is a simple system, a repeatable workflow, and a few AI tools that remove most of the heavy lifting. Think of AI like an assistant who never sleeps and does not need a babysitter. Point it in the right direction, and it can help you write scripts, record voiceovers, assemble videos, and publish consistently. Let me be honest about where I started. My first video was rough. The voice was robotic, the thumbnail looked like a slideshow from a school project, and nobody clicked. I felt silly and almost quit, but I made a decision to learn the basics, improve one piece at a time, and let AI handle the parts that drained my energy. The second video was better. The third got real watch time. That is how momentum begins. Here's the plan we're going to follow. Step 1. Pick one clear topic that helps a mom like you solve a real problem. Saving money at the grocery store, meal planning on a budget, simple side hustle ideas, time management for busy parents. Step 2, use AI to draft a script in your voice. Step 3, send that script to a natural sounding voice tool. Step 4, combine the audio with simple visuals or B-roll. Step 5, upload and schedule. When you rinse and repeat that basic process, you create an asset library that works even when you are off the clock. I want you to batch your work because busy moms cannot afford daily chaos. On Sunday, spend 90 minutes to generate 3 scripts with AI. Convert them to voice, assemble 3 simple videos. Schedule them to post across the week. To YouTube, it looks like you are incredibly consistent. In reality, you protected your time and still move forward. Before we go deeper into the exact tools, take 2 seconds to like this video. I'm about to give you the blueprint I wish someone had handed me earlier. And that simple click tells YouTube that this message matters to moms like you. While you're there, subscribe so you do not miss the next step in the system. It will save you hours you would otherwise waste trying to piece this together later. And if you know another mom who could use a break, share this video with her so she gets the same advantage. Let's talk faceless content, because this alone removes a big mental barrier. You can record a warm conversational voiceover, never show your face, and still build trust by being specific, helpful, and consistent. Use screen captures, captions, stock footage, or simple motion graphics. Add one clear line of text on screen per idea to reinforce the message. Keep each visual on screen long enough to be read comfortably. Then switch to the next one to maintain momentum. What topics actually work for single moms? Start with high demand, low friction ideas. Grocery savings challenges, weekly meal plans under $50, budgeting with envelopes or apps, after school routines that save time and stress, simple digital products that moms actually want, like checklists, templates, and printable planners. Use AI to research what questions people ask and which keywords show up the most. Then answer those questions directly and clearly. Here's a short case study to make this real. A mom with a long commute and a tight budget started posting faceless videos on budget hacks. One video about 5 grocery items to always buy frozen took off. It pulled in tens of thousands of views. In the description, she linked a $9 printable meal planner she made with AI and a template tool. That one video earned more than she made in overtime that month. She did not go viral. She got specific, stayed consistent, and made something useful. You do not need 1 million subscribers to change your situation. 1,000 true fans who watch most of your videos can create meaningful ad revenue and steady traffic to a small product. Pair every video with a simple call to action. Watch the next video. Grab the checklist. Download the 3-step cheat sheet. Keep it practical and low friction. Let's turn this into a concrete starter plan. Choose one niche for the next 30 days. Generate a list of 12 video ideas using AI. Write 3 scripts at a time. Record the voiceovers in one sitting. Assemble the videos in a simple editor with captions. Create high contrast thumbnails with 4 words or less. Schedule the uploads for the same days and times each week. Track titles, thumbnails, and watch time in a simple Google Sheet so you can spot patterns over time. Here's the mindset shift that unlocks all of this. You are not chasing perfection. You are stacking reps. The first 10 videos are for you to learn the system and build the habit. After that, the algorithm starts to understand who should see your content and why. Consistency beats intensity. Systems beat motivation. And AI removes the reasons to stall. Now let's get more tactical and walk through a minimal tool stack you can run without breaking your budget. Use an AI writing tool to draft scripts in a natural mom-to-mom voice. Keep each script to roughly 1,400 to 1,500 words for a 10-minute video, or 700 to 800 words for a 5-minute video. For voice, choose a natural female voice with warmth and clear enunciation. For video assembly, use a simple editor that lets you drop in your audio, add captions, and layer lightweight B-roll. For thumbnails, keep the background clean, the subject obvious, and the text short and bold. 4 words or less. High contrast colors, no clutter. Batching is your unfair advantage. Script in batches, record in batches, design thumbnails in batches. Upload in batches. If you can only carve out 2 hours on Sunday, divide it like this. 30 minutes to research and outline 3 topics. 30 minutes to draft or refine 3 scripts with AI. 30 minutes to record 3 voiceovers. 30 minutes to assemble simple visuals and schedule the uploads. If it spills into Monday, that is fine. What matters is that you protect the batch and finish the set. Expect a learning curve and plan for it. Some videos will underperform. A few thumbnails will miss. Titles will need tweaking. That is normal. Use it as feedback. If a video has solid average view duration, but a low click-through rate, the title and thumbnail did not do their job. If the click-through rate is high but people drop off in the first 30 seconds, tighten your hook and remove any slow buildup. Keep notes. Iterate weekly. Small improvements compound quickly. Here are 6 actionable moves you can use this week. 1. Write hooks that promise a clear outcome in 1 sentence. 2. Use pattern interrupts every 15 to 20 seconds. Change the visual, add a caption, zoom slightly, or switch B-roll. 3. Speak to one person, not to everyone. Use the word you. 4. End each video by pointing to a related video that continues the story. 5. Offer a small digital product in the description that matches the topic, like a printable checklist or a recipe planner. 6. Ask one simple question in the comments to spark conversation, like time, tech, or confidence. Which one slows you down most? I also want to offer transparency about real life. There will be weeks when a sick day, school event, or extra shift throws your schedule off. That happened to me too. The solution is not guilt. The solution is a backlog. When you are on a roll, make 1 extra video and keep it unpublished. When life hits, that draft becomes your safety net. I learned this the hard way after missing 2 uploads and losing momentum. I will not make that mistake again, and you do not have to either. Community is part of your growth engine. You're not doing this alone. In your description, invite viewers to share 1 win or 1 question. In your comments, reply with kindness and specificity. If someone asks for help, answer, and then make a short video on that exact question. That is how you convert casual viewers into returning viewers, and returning viewers into true fans. Let's future pace for a moment. Imagine that 6 months from now, you have 50 videos scheduled and live. Your library earns while you cook dinner, help with homework, or watch a movie with your kids. A steady stream of people find your channel, learn something useful, and download your planner or checklist. That extra $500 to $1,000 a month reduces stress, pays down debt, or covers a weekend trip you have been putting off. That is the point. Not endless hustle. Freedom with your kids. Here is your simple next step. Pick 1 topic you care about and outline your first 3 videos. Use AI to draft the scripts in your voice. record the audio in one sitting, assemble simple visuals with captions, create one bold thumbnail per video. Schedule all three. When they go live, return to this video and post your link or your win in the comments. We're going to celebrate your progress and keep you moving forward. You are not behind. You are not late. You are right on time. The mothers who learn to partner with AI now will be ahead of the curve for years. Start small, stay consistent, improve one detail each week. 6 months from now, you will thank yourself for starting today, and I will be here with you for the next step.